Yes, there thousands and thousands of calculators that are available online. Again, one of these tools to use, ChatGPT. Just ask it, ChatGPT, if I have a $10,000 balance, for example, what would happen if I pay 3% and then I pay it off or I don't pay? So let me walk you through a very simple example. On $10,000, 3% fee is $300. So what would happen? Your balance is not 10,000, but it's now 10,300. So you need to plan how to pay off $10,300 within 12 months or 18. And that addition, it's something that banks charge because they also have to make money. Because some people who are smart actually really use it to pay off, right? So they don't want to be at zero. They want to make at least some money off of it. And that's fine. They're in the business, they provide service, right? It's okay for them to make money. But you don't want to pay them 27% because it's not about just making money, it's about being a slave. You can't even imagine how much money it will be over your lifetime. It's like you being poor and somebody else becoming super rich just because of those 27%. That's how life is, right? So what you have to do is you have to compare how much of interest would I pay if I pay 27%, right? If you just do a very simple back of the napkin calculation, you would say that it's 2,700. But because of compound interest, it will be more. It's like 3,000 and change, right? So you can pay $300 in fees or $3,000 in interest. But the mathematics are very simple. But again, the catch is you have to pay for. If you cannot pay off $10,000 in 18 months, it's okay. Pay off $5,000. Roll it forward, then pay it off in another 18 months. But don't continue to add to it, right? Because if you continue to add to it, that's where the mathematics stop work. Don't overthink it. Because if all of us have to become financial planners, but things begin to happen. What I learned is that most people are very bad at mathematics. If you're looking at financial calculator and you have no clue what's going on, that's okay. Email us. We will help you out. You can reach us at info@swipeswipe.co. We can help you calculate it. It's very simple. Don't try to become a financial genius. You don't need to be. We are. And we can help you understand should you actually do something or not. Right? But if you understand the financial calculator, use it. It's not difficult to use for some people, but it is extremely difficult to use for others. Just ask other people who are experts in what they do, and they will help you understand like how much you pay in interest and what would happen if you actually pay something or you don't pay something. Just ask